So I'm Stasi Poulos. I'm the president of MindStar Aviation, and I'm also one of the principals of RealNav data. MindStar Aviation has created over the years a variety of avionics simulations for flight simulators. We simulate things like the G1000 and the Avidyne Integra and a number of other autopilots and systems. Our avionics work out of the box with the data that's baked into FSX, Lockheed Martin prepared, all the versions from version 1 all the way to version 6, I think is the newest one. They crossed into the 64 and 32-bit boundaries. But basically, we use the data that's in the simulator by default. But over the years, we found it's just not enough. We need what's in the airplane because there's a lot more data than is available in the base data in the simulators. And the reason that's such a tight integration between our avionics products and RealNav data is, as you would know in the real world, as you're flying approaches and arrivals and departures, and these procedures change all the time. So the data in the simulator with RealNav data comes from Jeppesen now, which is the same source that you would get when you're out in the airplane. So if you're loading your data card into your G1000, or if you're updating a FMS-based system in something like a King Air or a Proline 21, you're loading very similar data all coming from this AirInc 424 format, which is the standard for all navigation databases in aircraft. So for example, we're standing in front of a Redbird FMX. The Redbird FMX ships when you receive it with RealNav data, quarterly data already on it. This is the same data that you would see in the Pilot Proficiency Center in Oshkosh when you're flying the LDs that are available in the Pilot Proficiency Center, or PPC. There is a quarterly update cycle, and there's an all 13 in a year update cycle. And within those, we have home use editions for non-certified simulators and the professional databases for professional simulators.